Hi all, welcome back to my channel mdotkcodez. Today I am going to show you the live demo of Finvasia Android Scalper. This is the Android Scalper that we are going to discuss today. Actually, the Scalper is not connected to any server, so if you close the Scalper it won't work. So make sure it's running in background after placing orders. Why I am saying this means it can cause some problems in low configuration mobile phones. Let's look into the live demo. This plus and minus helps to change the strikes. Top one is C strike and lower one is P strike. I have selected 18850 CE and PE. Click the PE, order is placed. You can see PNL at the top. Here you can see the average price, quantity, etc. I am clicking square off button to exit the trade. Let's look into the orders in broker app. Buy price of our last trade is 25.40 and sell price is 25. Next, we can see how to set SL and target. Enabled SL and change the stop loss to 2. Similar way, enabled target and changed the target points to 2. Clicked PE and order is placed. Our target is 100 rupees. Target is reached and order is exited. Here is the order details. Next, enabled trailing stop loss, placed order. It already moved stop loss by 0.95 points. Okay, trailing stop loss is triggered and order is exited. Let's place one more order. You can see the SL is moving when the LTP is going higher. You must enable SL and set the SL points for trailing SL to work. Okay, our target is reached and order is exited. Next one, trailing target. Enabled target trail and placed order. It starts to trail the target once the LTP reaches the target price. It keeps the stop loss away by our trail points. So, it is always important to keep the trail points carefully. The target is reached and trailing is started. You can see this stop loss is away by 1 point. That is our trial value. Next, I have enabled index SL and index target and changed the upper and lower index level. Order is placed. You can see the SL is moving as quick as NIFTY is moving. Our trailing stop loss is triggered and order is exited. Okay friends, I hope you all understand how to use this Scalper. If you want to install this app, please watch the installation video. I have given the link in description and I button. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comments. Thank you for watching.